All right, let's dive into the biggest, and I mean the biggest tech debate happening right now. You've got the AI challenger on one side and the search engine giant on the other. This is the showdown that is literally going to define how we all find and understand information for years to come.
Yeah, this is the question on everyone's mind, right? Who actually wins this thing? But here's the deal. By the end of this explainer, you're not just going to have some simple answer. Nope. You're going to have a powerful new strategy for using both of these amazing tools.
At its heart, the difference is incredibly simple. One gives you answers, the other gives you links. One is built to give you a straight up, synthesized explanation, while the other gives you all the raw materials so you can find the answers for yourself. And believe me, this one idea is the key to understanding everything else.
So, first up, let's talk about the reigning champion, the undisputed king of finding stuff online. We all know it, we all use it every single day. Let's take a quick look under the hood at what Google actually is.
Okay, so at its most basic level, Google is a search engine. The best way to think about it is like a librarian for the entire planet, an unbelievably powerful librarian. You give it a few keywords and it just instantly sifts through the entire internet to find anything that matches. Its whole job is to find and retrieve.
And its power is just vast because it's not searching some static old database. No, it's indexing the live, breathing internet as it happens. This is exactly why you go to Google for the latest news, or for stock prices, or to find a restaurant that's open right now. It's your connection to this very second. And that right there, that perfectly sums it up. Google's job isn't to give you the answer. Its job is to hand you the keys to the library, a whole list of quality sources where you can find that answer for yourself. It empowers you to become the researcher. Okay, now let's meet the challenger, the one that came out of nowhere and completely changed the entire conversation around AI. Everybody, say hello to ChatGPT. So unlike a search engine, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. It's built on what's called a large language model, and it's designed not just to find information, but to actually, to understand it, to synthesize it, and then talk to you about it in a totally natural, conversational way. And just look at how different its skills are from Google's. ChatGPT isn't just matching keywords. It really seems to get the nuance of what you're asking. And that's why it can do incredible things like explain quantum physics, help you fix your code, or even write an email for you. And here it is, the direct contrast. It doesn't give you a reading list. It gives you the summary. It's not the library, it's more like a personal tutor who has already read all the books and is just ready to break down the key concepts for you. Okay, so we've met our two contenders. Now it's time for the main event. Let's put them side by side in a proper head-to-head showdown and see where each one really truly shines.
This table really lays it all out, doesn't it? You've got Google, the search engine, giving you links and being unbeatable with real-time data. But then when you look at creative stuff or explanatory tasks, like helping with writing or coding or just getting a personal explanation, well, ChatGPT has a massive advantage. You can see they're fundamentally different tools built for totally different jobs.
So you see, this isn't really about one tool winning and the other one losing. The real victory, the real win, comes from knowing which tool to pull out of your toolbox for which specific task. That's the smart strategy. And here it is. This is your practical guide. Use Google when you need info that's happening right now or when you need to see the original sources. So think news, research, shopping. But you should turn to ChatGPT when you need to understand a complex idea or brainstorm or get help with a task like writing or coding. And hey, for all the students out there, this is so crucial. Trying to use just one of these for everything is a huge mistake. The smartest students right now are the ones learning how to blend them together to learn faster and understand things way more deeply. If you take only one single thing away from all this, please make it this right here. This is the new mantra. Search on Google, understand deeply using ChatGPT. You find your sources, your data, your facts with Google. Then you take all that stuff to ChatGPT to deepen your understanding, ask questions, and connect all the dots. So, who wins the big showdown? Well, the surprising answer is nobody. The whole idea of a single winner is just the wrong way to think about this incredible shift in technology.
The most important point is this: they are specialists. Google is your compass for searching. ChatGPT is your guidebook for explaining. And the smartest people out there aren't choosing one over the other. They're mastering how to use them together.
And that brings us right to our final thought. The real battle here isn't between two giant tech companies. The real opportunity, that lies with you. Now that you've got the strategy, the question isn't who wins. The real question is, how will you use them together to learn faster, work smarter, and create things like never before?